short little vlog is going to be about Hank the cow dog. We've had him since 2017, so he is 5 years old, and in October he'll turn 6. The first two pictures I want to tell y'all is the first night that we brought him home, and I just thought I would make a vlog about him since you might have seen him in my shorts, and introduce y'all to him and share some of my special moments I've had with him for the 5 years that I've had him. So sit back and enjoy. This picture always cracks me up because this pool is too little for him, and we did eventually go out and get him a bigger one, which he enjoys it a lot better than this little tiny pool. Say please. Say please. Louder, say please. Thank you. Teaching Hank to play Frisbee was absolutely the most easiest thing to do. When we first started him off with the Frisbee, we would not chunk it as far as I chunked it right here. We would chunk it a short ways and let him go get it, kind of like that, but a little bit lower. And he just took up with it really quick, and then once he got pretty good, we'd throw it further and further out to where like we could throw it far and he could run so fast and go catch it just like that. So he took up on it pretty quick, and he still likes Frisbee. You just say the word Frisbee and he like looks at you like, you better go get my Frisbee. But anyway, he picked up on learning Frisbee quick. So Hank does love his swimming pool a lot. You can just say, do you want your swimming pool? And he'll be on high alert. And if it's a hot summer day, you better go get it. And yes, this is still the little pool because every time we went to the store, they were out of the big kiddie pools because for some reason that summer everybody wanted kiddie pools. And finally, this next video, you'll see we finally got the big pool, and he gets so excited that he bites his pool. He knows he's not supposed to do it, so he looks up at me. So when Hank was a little bit younger, he's not that old since he's only 5, but he had a lot of energy, so we got him one of these big exercise balls, which I take that back because we already had this exercise ball, and I can't remember how that one popped. This one is the horse ball you can like buy at Tractor Supply, the big one, and how that one got popped is he ran it into a rose bush and the thorn popped it. So I always like watching him with this ball because he was so funny. And the black and white paint horse is Butterfly, and if you don't know who that horse is, go back to my first vlog on how I got started barrel racing, and that will tell you who that horse is. And that's why I like this video too, because she's in it. So this next video is the time me and Hank took a walk in the big pasture. I usually do like a 3-mile walk for exercise, and he thought he would join me. And this next video is of me and Butterfly running at a barrel race, and Hank got to come, and I think it's so cute how he watched me and her, so enjoy.
Push!
Seventeen, 662, 17662. Nicole Whitney, you're up, followed by Natalie, Marlon, and Caitlin.
So that's pretty much it of the adventures I've had with Hank the cow dog. I hope to have many more. He still has a bunch of energy still, even though he's 5, which I know he's still pretty young, but still. He does keep me on my toes. I love him dearly, and I've had smart dogs, but he has to be the second smartest dog I've had. So the rest of the video is just going to be pictures of me and Hank and our memories I've captured on camera. I hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog about Hank, and he will be in more of my vlogs and shorts as usual because he's always around when I'm out there with my horse. And he's just a really special dog, so I hope y'all enjoyed this.